everyone, thank you for tuning in to another one of my videos. For those of you that are new, a while back I bought a house for a little under $12,000. I'm doing a full renovation on it with the intention of renting or selling it in the end. I get asked a lot of questions about how I find these houses, and I recently wrote a short ebook called Cheap Houses, How I Find and Buy Inexpensive Real Estate. And that's available on my website, homesteadcraftsman.com, as well as on Amazon. You can check the links below in the description for that link. In this video, I'm going to be doing a lot of small odds and ends. I need to trim some trees in the back to where I can have my service line, that's the electric line, hooked back up. I need to run the SC cable back up the back of the house from where I had the stucco work and some different things done with the overhangs, as well as get on the roof and install some drip edge on the gable ends. I've been operating all my tools and equipment off of a generator for the past couple months. It's actually running just right here, about 30 feet to my left. It's an inverter generator I got from Harbor Freight. It works very well and it's nice and quiet. It's good on gas and it's perfect for this type of thing where you're not going to be disturbing neighbors when you're going to be working on a project like this that might be taking a while and you don't have the power running right to the house like I have. The reason I had the line drop was where I could do that tree work and then also do some more electrical work on the inside to where the service panel doesn't actually have current running to it. So I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please do so. Leave a thumbs up and be sure to leave a comment as well and share my videos with the people that you think would enjoy them. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. For cleaning up those trees behind the house, I'm going to be using this Ryobi battery-powered chainsaw. It's a very convenient little tool. My wife got it for me for my birthday or something like that about a year and a half ago. And it works great. Really enjoy it. Very convenient. No gas. All you do is charge the battery, put a little bar oil in there, and you're good to go. Very quiet, good saw to just kind of make a few cuts here and there in your yard without disturbing everybody. Hope the wind's not blowing too hard. Just wanted to show you the results of using one battery. So I cut down maybe 12, 13, 14 little small trees. One of them was about 6 inches. I want to hit the oil drum. A couple back in there towards the pole, mainly all of these. But getting it cleared up, just need to get in there and snip a couple more things down using my second battery. All done for the day. I've got the wire is in, the anchor point is in, all the trees have been cut down out of the way. I'll come back and trim all that up later. And then I went ahead and did the drip edge. I left you out of that just because it was kind of icy up there. A little treacherous. I don't want to hear people fussing at me. But I got up there and swept the snow off and let it kind of dry up a little bit and got it done. So what the drip edge is going to do is it's going to keep water off the rake board, and then in addition it just kind of finishes off the edge of the sheathing, so that's in 2 layers of OSB. Here's a quick view of the drip edge up top. So this bottom edge, so you see where we're at, this piece goes underneath the paper, and then the pieces along the edge go on top of the paper. So that goes up and over and overlaps things right there. And here's a quick view of that anchor point. So it's just ceramic and it's got a lag bolt, and then up underneath you've got the drip loop. So what's the next step, you may ask? And that is going to be cutting open the ridge. I'm going to snap chalk lines and cut right down the ridge of the roof, and going to be installing a ridge vent. I just called the roofers today. What I'm going to do is I'm going to buy the shingles, have them delivered here, and then I've got all this work done, and then I'm going to pay the roofers $50 a square. It's roughly 10 squares, this roof, so it'll be about $500 just to nail down the shingles, versus I believe it was like $275 per square to have them come do all the work, and that would not have included stuff like the overhangs and putting all this new sheathing down. That would have just been to tear off the old shingles and put new ones down. Was around $250 or $275 per square at 10 squares. If you have any questions about this renovation, be sure to leave them in the comments below, and I'll get back with you as soon as I can. You can also leave a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe if you're not already. And like I said in the beginning of the video, if you're wondering how I buy these houses so cheap, you can check out my book, and that link is in the description. Thanks for watching.